Hey ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our channel. Today, like you see from the title, we are going to talk about projectseed.io, and basically that's a very interesting project that we are going to talk about in this video. All links, like always, are provided in the description, so don't worry about that. And basically Project Seed, like we could read here, is a DAO virtual world governed by the community game. And like you see here, they aim to bring blockchain gaming to mass adoption and presenting a play to earn blockchain action RPG in your mobile devices. So basically there's an RPG game where you could play to earn money in their token. And like you see here, they have a storyline, alluring art, and exciting gameplay for your amusement. What this game is gonna talk about. Here we have Avatar. Each player is represented by an in-game avatar, and players interact with others through the avatar. Players can modify the avatar by crafting and wearing armors from defeated beasts. And basically, I have here some World of Warcraft vibes, or we could say many different MMORPGs game like Tibia, Metin 2, and very others like Final Fantasy 14 for example. Let's go down, and here we have armor. The avatar's armor might be with different beast special abilities, so probably if you will kill different mobs in the game, you could earn different buffs, depends from the actual enemy. And probably how rare are those enemies called beasts. And here you have the beast Z at the soul of this game, Zs. And there are multiple types of Zs and even mythical ones. When you encounter a Z, there are two options of action you can perform, and that sounds very familiar to Metin 2 if you played it or not. That's interesting also. It's very good looking, that beast called Z, right? Capture the Zs and subdue them and let them fight alongside you in your quests. So basically you could have also pets, I assume, that could help you in battles, etc. Defeat the Zs for loot drops, for other benefits such as crafting armors, weapons, or sell them. Interesting. So there is a standard economic thing. Also, if there is market with other players. Let's go down. Here we have weapons, and different parts of the Zs let you craft different items. The Z's ability will reflect on the crafted weapons. Like we said before, there will be different buffs, I assume. And here we have a good looking sword. Actually reminds me the sword of Asta from Black Clover. And here we have a good looking prehistoric bow. And let's go down. The actually token is called Shield token, and basically, like we could read here, Shield is a utility token that is used in Project Seed game ecosystem, which includes in-game currency. Oh, that's actually a good idea. Yeah, the Shield token use cases we'll explain in the diagram below. So if you would manage to do pretty well economics in the game, level up faster, different strategies, you could actually earn some money from it. Here we have key features: multi-chain token, discover shell token, multiple popular blockchain networks for convenience, arbitrage, transaction fee, reimbursement, never worry about paying high fees to play the game, referral gifts, enjoy referral gifts in shell token when your friends join you. That's cool. And play to earn, enjoy DeFi and NFT while getting paid to play. And also they have NFT, that's very unique for a game like that. Then we have Tokenomics, of course. Here we have 1 billion of shell. And here we have our graph where they're going. Here we have 45% ecosystem, 25% on token sold, 10% marketing, 12.5% on development, and the last 7.5% on the team. So if we are going down, we have also the elements, non-fungible token, NFT. In Project C, players can create their own NFT and make it their own assets that are tradable in the marketplace. That's very good actually. make the people more engaged in the community, to make something, more creative, to be different from other communities, I guess, like I would say workshop in different Steam games, etc. They have decentralized finance DeFi. Within the Project Seed DeFi ecosystem, players could directly trade their tokens and access their NFT marketplace within the application. Decentralized Autonomous Organization (DAO) players govern the world and the ecosystem. Voting will be available on the platform for the users to propose and vote for the development of the project. Here we have decentralization. Unlike normal games, where one company holds all the power to decide upon things and has limited brain power to work on a project, decentralized mobile app game where players can participate in advancement of the game. Project Seed believes that decentralization is the future, and we are proud to be at the forefront of this movement in the gaming industry. Then we have, of course, guilds. If you are new in a MMORPG, basically those are teams. And here we have, none of us are created to be alone. Create or join a guild and make your name echoes in the world. The benefit of joining a guild is that player is able to see and join guild members for a co-op session easily. Like in WoW, we could have raids and different other events. Player can create a co-op session that are exclusive to guild members only, so that probably will reward players to have more loot, experience, or maybe rare items for the people. And player can leave messages to other guild members even if they are not online. They will be able to see when they are online, and I love it. There will be always competition everywhere, and that's something that brings light in communities. Then we have guild members can enter guild tournaments for rewards. There will also be monthly rewards for guilds who earn the most points every month. Like I said, competition, a beautiful thing. There will be special cup guests that have special beats that are only beatable with friends, and the winning guild will earn token or item rewards at the end of the events, and that's very promising, I guess. They have their team, the founders, advisors, their partners, and here we have their wallpaper. We could check them out, and basically here we have their social medias. We have here Twitter, Medium, Discord, YouTube that we could check out right now, and Telegram. If you have any question or join the community, you could go there. And here we have Project C, character creation, female character, and male character. Basically, that's of course in work. So you could join the Telegram and already meet their ideas, etc. if you want to be up to date. And also for the white paper to be more aware of the project and to be more informed about it. So let's go here on the white paper, and probably we have here of course the agenda, and here we could see everything about Project Seed, shield token, use case, and here we have different other things that we could talk about. Let's go with the roadmap, and here we have the roadmap, and basically here they already did the stage last year, and probably they are right here. Public select essentially things, taking begins, and a game demo with the proper battle system, proper art style, and animation. Probably in those months we could see it. And then we have alpha test begins, so probably there will be some beta access for people. And on 2022 they're planning on game release, game launch, and they are also planning for expansion, etc. Additional expansion release, work on the next expansion, PC app, more Zs, expand areas and stories, and side quests, while also fine tuning gameplay and bug fixing. Plans for a yearly update content, yearly game expansion, and that's very promising. I'm very interested on actually sets, how they will plan to make them very good. Probably there will be different genres of those mobs, and here we have team like we've seen before. So I guess that was it for this. This video. I'm very happy about this project. Sincerely, it seems to be a very interesting project. Also, I suggest you to find time and get a good read of the white paper. Of course, if you're interested in the project or you're hyped MMORPG fan. And I guess that was it for this video. All links are provided in the description as always, so don't worry about that. If you have any question regarding the project, you could ask in the Telegram group or in our comment section. Thanks again for watching. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike it if you disliked it, and see ya.